Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about UberEATS, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add our Cash App Cash Card into UberEATS as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with UberEATS, it's definitely one of the more popular food delivery services out there. It's run by the company called Uber. They do taxis or ride sharing as well. But we're going to see if we can add our Cash App Cash Card. So this card is attached to my Cash App. So before, what I have to do if I have money inside my Cash App is I would have to transfer it out to my bank and then use the money off of my bank debit card. Recently, they rolled out these Cash App Cash Cards, so you can use the money just like you would a typical Visa debit card. But instead of pulling it from my bank, it pulls it directly from the Cash App, which is really convenient. But can you use it on your UberEATS app? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open the app. It's this white, green, and black one. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up the UberEATS app, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, you can see companies that run advertisements, I guess, on the UberEATS app. You can also check for area specials that have free delivery, and then you can also search through other various restaurants. But we're not going to worry about that. If you want to go ahead and update your payment method for UberEATS, you want to look down here on this bottom line. It looks like a menu bar. Looks like a home, a search, some sort of ticket. But this is the one you want to click on. It's this one on the right, on the bottom. It looks like a little person. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this drop-down menu happens, so you can see your favorite restaurants. You can check the different promotions that is running with UberEATS. But if you want to update your payment method to your Cash App Cash Card, you want to go ahead and click right here on payment. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3 lines down from the top. It has this little credit card icon next to it. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and click there, and then this screen pops up. It's called the payment screen. So here you can go ahead and add funds into your Uber Cash. I'm actually not sure what that function is. I've never used that before. If you have, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. But if you want to add your Cash App Cash Card into your UberEATS app, you want to click right here on this bottom button called Add Payment Method. It's green. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next the screen pops up called Add Payment, and here you can add a credit or debit card, which is what I'm going to do because the Cash App Cash Card is a debit card. You can also add your PayPal or Venmo. That doesn't apply to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click this top button now. All right, next, UberEATS is asking for the full 16-digit Cash App Cash Card number, along with the expiration date, security code, and zip code that's attached to my Cash App Cash Card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all that information in off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, this black button pops up here in the middle called Save. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next the screen pops up again. It says it's the payment screen. So it looks like, yes, you can add your Cash App Cash Card into your UberEATS app as a payment method. As you can see, I have a new Visa listed right here under my payment methods. If you were not able to add your Cash App Cash Card into the UberEATS app for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it shouldn't be an issue at all. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.